Hi.
Hi, welcome back to our channel.
Here's another video with this little plush toy.
Bring back the child for more Disney pins.
Yes, today we're gonna do the unboxing of mystery pins. And I have this one.
Which is the Adventure is out there.
And I ordered this from eBay. Here's like 4 sets of mystery pins, like 5 of them. Well, yeah. Do I need? I guess I need scissors. You can do it. You like doing that.
I'm really struggling with this. Thank you for the encouragement. Alright, here we go.
Okay.
You see how they're packaged, like all in Ziploc bags. They're all brand new sealed.
I'm so excited.
So yeah, like we said, 4 sets and each set has 5 mysteries. So if you want, how do you
If you
want?
want, you can do like 2, and I can do 2.
Do one at a time if you want, or
Oh,
it says what series it's from. This is actually
okay.
Magical Mystery Pen Series 10
I'm excited for those because those are like doors.
from Monsters Inc.
I think it's from Monsters Inc. I'm not
Monsters
sure.
Inc. And this is Series 8.
What about this one? I already have 3 of those. I hope I'm gonna get another 3 I need. So I'm gonna have those.
Series
the whole
9.
set.
And Series 12. I mean, these were priced pretty good. I mean, if anything, we can always leave the
I
seller's
think I paid
information
even
in.
cheaper than it was in the parks, so I'm pretty excited about that.
So you can leave this information in
It's
the
like 5 pins.
description box.
Yeah. So you wanna start with green with the caps since I already have the set.
Okay.
Okay, you start.
Want me to open?
Yes. Oh, I hope there's no doubles. I don't want doubles. My baby doesn't want doubles either. Oh, I have it! That's the double, the first one.
Double. It's Peach Dragon. This is Pete from. I mean, this is the dragon from Peach Dragon.
Okay, I guess I hope the next one is gonna be different. That wasn't a good start. Please be different. That's exactly the same one. Why?
2 for 2.
God damn it! Are you serious? That's like horrible start. Well, at least it's fun.
It's fun. So
Yeah, it's fun to open pins.
hopefully,
Hopefully I can trade it later.
that's the point of having mysteries, just for the fun.
Can you imagine the
hunt.
third one is the like
Let's
that
see.
one? No, that's the different.
It's a different one. It's
I don't have it.
Simba,
I don't have
and it's
Simba.
focused on my face again.
But oh, I don't have this one. That's another
Oh,
new
that's
one.
a nice
I just
one.
need one more. Hopefully the last one is the one I need. So yeah, that's a Tinkerbell. Why is it focusing on your face?
Here's the last one from Series 9.
Come on, be new. I need Mickey.
And
Oh.
another double. It's got
Damn
Simba. So 2 Simbas and 2 dragons and 1 Tinkerbell.
That was a bad mystery unboxing, to be honest. Let's do the adventure one.
Okay.
I'm pretty excited for the adventure.
And how many come in this pack?
I think it's 2 in 1 bag. I'm not sure.
Well, that's not bad. You get 2 at least.
I don't remember which I had. Oh, sorry.
I got 1. You got 1 though.
Okay, so is it 2? Yeah, I think it's like I can't open it.
I got mine. Oh. Pinocchio.
I have it. God damn it! Well, I have doubles today.
Shows.
And I have this one. This is the 3rd one. Wow. This is the Cheshire Cat.
Cheshire Cat.
Yeah, what's the? I could never pronounce the name.
I think these 2 are the only ones that have glitter though. So
Yeah.
yeah, they have
I mean, still double. I think this is the 3rd one I have, the cat.
well, you guys have the one that we're missing. Maybe we can do a trade.
Let us know in the comments who has the, the Mickey Mouse I need. Which one do you want to do next? You want to do doors? You want to do stamps? Or I think it's backpacks?
Whatever you want.
Let's do backpacks. I was excited about backpacks.
Now, Magical Pin Series 12 with all the backpacks.
Oh, you started to open it already? Okay.
Not yet. So this is our first time. We never had any of these, so anything will be new to us.
I hope there's no doubles. I already got so many. Well, this is new anyway.
Marie
Oh,
from
that's cute.
Aristocats.
Oh.
Okay. So.
Little Marie.
There you go. Now your turn.
Can you imagine it's gonna be Marie again?
All Maries.
With our luck?
All Maries.
No, it's the one you like.
You got Baymax.
Aw.
Big Hero 6.
That's
It's a
cute.
nice color.
Yeah.
It's red and black.
Oh. Yeah. And
Alright, so-
I do need to do something with the focus, because... Yeah. Can't even show anything close. Okay, one more.
So far we got a difference, so there's no double so
Yeah,
far.
this mystery set is going... Oh, we're just talking
What
about
did
no...
I don't know. Why do I talk? I shouldn't talk anymore. So here's our second Baymax.
Oh my god. Well, the good thing you can have one, I can have one at this point. Or we can trade if you have different. Or we can soon probably do the giveaway. Please be you. Oh, that's my favorite. That's the Grumpy.
Grumpy, if it will ever show.
Yeah, probably not, because you're too beautiful and focusing on your face. So far, 3 different and 1 double. Okay. Lucky last one.
What are we missing so far? We're missing Donald,
We're missing 3
Stitch,
more.
and Ursula.
Oh my god, I want Stitch. That's my favorite character. I want Stitch.
She
Be
loves
Stitch,
Stitch.
please. Be Stitch. No, but still
Yeah, my t-shirt, Donald Duck.
it's new though. So I need 2 more.
He's a nice looking. I like him.
Yeah. So far the whole collection was good. We got 4 new and 1 double, and we had only 5 mystery packs, so I guess there was a win.
I'll take it. It's better than double and double like the first one.
Yeah. So now we have 2 more.
Which one you want to go with?
You wanna? Let's do doors last, because I'm really excited about them. So let's do stamps.
I like the stamps. I have a couple stamps from like Euro Disney.
Oh yeah, I remember. They're nice. I think it's a gold. They're
Yeah.
kind of nice looking.
It has like the castle from I think it's in France.
Paris, yeah, Paris,
Yeah.
Disney Paris.
So I have the castle and I think it has Mickey on it. So if you want to see the collection one day, let me know.
Yeah, you have a lot of pins.
Oh, like old ones too, from like 2004.
Yeah, and you know for sure they're not fake.
Yeah. So yeah, now we're opening up Series 10,
Oh, I love them.
Lady and the Tramp.
Oh, they're so adorable. Now it's focusing on me. I guess I'm beautiful now.
Of course you are.
Thank you. Can it? It didn't work. Oh,
No.
come on. No, I guess. I guess not.
We'll do a close-up after.
So here is. Oh, that's the Bambi. Used to be my favorite character when I was a child. I used to love Bambi. And you know what's interesting? I still don't remember anything about the movie. I kind of want to watch it again
I
because
was gonna say, sounds like we're gonna have to rewatch it.
yeah, because I think the last time I watched it was like 15, 16 years ago.
It's been a while.
Yeah, I don't remember.
It's been a while
like
since I've
almost
seen
as
it.
age as my sister. Can you imagine? This is like too long time ago. Yeah. Oh, that's the double.
We got another double.
Well,
of
this is a good one.
Lady and the Tramp. So
Oh my
You enjoy
god, no! That's the 3rd double. No, why? I mean, I do love them, but it's just like not fair. Come on. No. I guess we got too lucky on the previous set.
if this is gonna be Bambi, I'm gonna laugh.
Well, better than Lady and the Tramp.
And it's
Oh my god, you joking?
another Lady and the Tramp.
I was so
Okay.
excited for this pin set collection. Oh my
I
god.
guess we're just gonna have to order more or trade with someone.
No. That's so sad.
Okay.
I'm so upset right now. Come on, literally 4 out of 5. That's horrible. No. Well, at least it was fun to open it. But yeah.
So
guess now it's the last one.
Last one, the red pack, Series 8.
Oh my god, I hope this is gonna be lucky one.
Ladies first.
Oh. Please be good. Please be good.
Give me some of that.
Oh, those are big.
Give me some of that Disney magic for something different.
Oh, that's big. Oh, that's Goofy?
Is that Goofy running through a door of Monsters Inc?
I think it's Goofy.
I think that's Goofy running through the door.
Yeah.
So the doors are from Monsters Inc. And I guess that's because he was scared he ran through.
Probably? I don't know. Open another one. This is actually, we got an interesting one because others, they don't really have characters on them, I think. So, are you joking? That's another one.
She said it was interesting. It was so interesting. That's why we have another one.
God damn it.
Okay.
Jeez, why? That's not fun. I guess we don't have this Disney magic anymore. Oh, this one is interesting. This is new one at least. Up back that way. Which one is that? What do you think? Okay.
That's from Alice in Wonderland.
Yeah, looks like her.
So it looks like they open up the door and they're like traveling through Alice in Wonderland.
Those are nice. Not bad.
We'll try to show you even more of a close-up after.
Yeah. So far we have two like double. So we have two more. Please be something good. Something good.
It's a different one.
Oh my god, thanks god. That's a Daisy? Oh no. I don't know. Something pink.
It's pink.
Maybe it's Marie or Daisy? I don't know.
I don't know. It's pink and it has hearts and a bow.
I don't know.
It could be
It's
Minnie
nice.
Mouse's bow, if anything.
I don't know. Well, that's a nice new pin.
It could be Minnie Mouse. 'Cause
Last one.
I don't know. I don't think anyone
Could
else
be
was
Minnie
a bow
Mouse,
like
yeah.
that.
I don't know. Please be different. Please. Please be different. No, it's not. That's the third Goofy one.
So in all, these are all new pins to us, but we just got a bunch of doubles. So
No!
it was
why?
bittersweet.
Yeah. I'm kind of upset. I mean, we can always trade them.
Hopefully with one of you that have something different.
Yeah, if you have
Then-
something we don't have, please.
Hopefully you guys had better
Tell
luck
us.
opening up your packages.
Well, so I guess the Stamps was like the winner with doubles because we have 4 same one. Here we have 3 same one.
So
I guess backpacks were the best
yeah,
because
because at least we only had one double there.
yeah.
But yeah, if you're still interested in where we got these from, which eBay seller, we'll link it in the description. But after watching this, I don't know if you still want to, but it was still good value.
I mean, it's not his fault because
No,
technically
no.
you don't even know which one you get there. So
I agree.
I guess it's just our luck. But yeah.
Alright, so hopefully next time we have better luck. But if you liked what we did here, and if you're interested for more, do subscribe. Give us a rate.
Like us, please.
Give us a like, comment, share. Hopefully there's other pin lovers out there like us. I mean, there are.
Probably are, yeah. Who doesn't like Disney? Who doesn't like pins? My sister
Exactly.
doesn't like pins, but that's besides the point.
That's why we don't talk to her.
We're joking. But yeah, thank you so much for your...
If you stayed, hopefully you stayed this long and you watch us fail miserably. Do give us a like for at least trying.
Thank you, bye.
Bye.